A journey is definitely more than just the seeing of sights. It's shaped by the moments you didn't expect. But how do you prepare for the unexpected? It seems impossible to define a perfect place. But there are countless unspeakably beautiful places to explore, far beyond any recommendation of a tour guide. Sometimes you just have to be brave enough to leave the charted path to find the magic of your most impressive memories. And sometimes real beauty even hides within the things we're not observing.